I'm just gonna play regular old Shiv build. Got silver bebop. It's a little tough. It's a little bit of a tough lane. Probably gonna play gun bebop. That's like all people play now.
I see you.
Took 100 damage for nothing, pretty much.
I should check out the shop. Go in the shop.
You sure?
I don't go selling these to just anyone.
I mean, I do have Vindicta in my lane, though. It's pretty good.
Throwing blades. Knife out.
Bebop's really easy to hit, so I can just like throw knives at him.
That's me. Leave.
Nah, that was not a good decision. He could just parry me there like so easily. And then I mean, you know, game's over pretty much. Where's my character? Oh, box running. Fair enough, but like,
Blades out. Softening him up.
They won't escape me.
yeah, that's why. No hook, huh?
Go in. Let's play.
Buff in 2 minutes. Oh boy. Yeah, Bola is a really tough cooldown. Very tough. I'm just gonna buy it. Kind of just getting complete cryo stolen. Okay.
They're gonna bleed. Let's go. Bleed.
Oh my god. Bro, that was actually fucking terrible, man. I just need to get on top of the fucking bridge. What the fuck am I doing?
Headed to Broadway.
I need fucking gold front, man. I should just spot gold front. Actually, no, I can't. I'm fucking losing lane. I don't know. I feel like I can. Right? Like, I'm sure I cannot do that. I'm coming yellow. Nothing is happening in my lane right now.
I like it.
Hello.
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 Strike swiftly. Let's play.
I see the enemy.
That Wraithalt has a little kick to it.
Just a bit.
Gonna feel that for a while.
I'm gonna try to come Vindicta. I'm trying to come.
I try to be nice.
Oh, fucking shit on. Silver's one shot.
Take a
Missed.
knife out.
Oh, I'm fucking terrible. She has this week's new meta item, so I can't chase her.
I love restorative locket.
Man, I fucking love restorative locket. When I get in the fucking lobby and 6 people have restorative first item, I just fucking love playing against that shit, man.
It's so good, dude.
You have earned the Archmother's favor.
Silver's here.
Sorry.
Everyone's weak on my lane too.
Hello. Oh, fuck.
Oh no, I've got the ball. I'm taking it away. Healing right at the buy.
Softening him up.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Thanks for the help.
Buff and 10. I have no H. Oh, never mind. Eh, whatever.
I can
7, you fight buff? You fight buff 7? Yes.
Mid-boss has arrived.
Thank you. There's a number. Tragic. It's not good. I think he's taking my Shinners.
Bebop's here now too.
Okay.
I can try come green.
I'll show him a little knife work.
Our green guardian has been destroyed.
Oh no.
Yeah, this is not a fun game at all.
I'll go protect your tower. She's doing the triple farm?
Someone's using their noodle.
I'm going home. I'm going home.
No.
Tell the world I'm coming home.
Walker is under attack.
They're gonna bleed.
The urn is ours.
This silver can die. I'm just gonna dash through her so she can't get the life steal from me. The Baroness welcomes you with open arms. Holy shit, what is the Celeste building right now? Ah, yeah, she knows. Wait, no, she doesn't. Hello? What the fuck? Getting wave. Coming.
Oh my god.
Our green walker is under attack.
Oh my god! There's a bebop on me!
I killed the silver.
This guy's fucking trash asshole. What is he doing? I'm fucking out of here.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Let's just buy this shit, honestly.
Stay safe.
Headed to Broadway.
Coming! Doorman Wraith is coming, doubles. Oh shit, I'm gonna help the doorman. I'm coming, come to me. Oh fuck.
I'm gonna come.
Oh, she's leaving.
Naturally.
Or yellow, push the blue. Push the blue.
I like it.
Our
Go,
yellow
go, go.
guardian has been defeated. The spirit urn is waiting to be claimed.
I see you.
Defend green.
That's a good point.
I'm going to green. It's okay, Victor.
the enemy.
There's a silver in my jungle. Oh shit. Wait, we got including blue wave though, no cap.
Sounds good.
Our blue walker is under attack.
I'm buying. Maybe we buy the torment pulse, do we?
Silver is in between green and blue. She
Noted.
just tried to deter me from my sinner.
Noted. I need it. I honestly need it. Like, there's just no other option. I need it. I need it. I have to dispel that shit, man. I have to dispel that fucking shit. I just know that. Oh,
Our green walker
I'm
is
coming,
under
Holiday.
attack.
I'm gonna come.
I'm coming to the fight. I'm gonna come to the fight. Oh shit, we're down one. Hold on now. Hold on now.
Okay.
Our yellow walker is under attack.
Oh, I'm so dead.
No cap.
Holy fuck. 4 on green.
Green, what are you doing?
I'm gonna take doubles before they abuse the advantage.
They can earn.
Yeah, we have to fight that. Definitely have to.
I'll carve a path.
The urn has been
Oh, Thanos. Thanos Holiday.
Time to pull out the big guns.
Green's gonna need attention.
It's true.
We'll split the bounty.
Shoot, it's probably. I'm just gonna go. I think I can get that.
Ivy's on green.
Yep, I'm on the way. So is 7.
walker is under attack.
She's gone.
Yeah, I think she gets that. Let's try and get this run though.
Green walker has been
Yeah, go in. Wave advantage. Ooh, shit. This is honestly sketchy, but fuck it.
I like it.
Bebop's definitely gonna hook my ass. There's no doubt about that. I need some interception on the play, please.
I see Bebop.
Thank you.
There's a noise gate for your open mic, by the way, that you should apply after this game.
Why?
You're so typey, Mr. Happy.
Oh, you're not supposed to hear that. Usually you can't. What about now?
No, I don't hear it now. All right, yeah, no, I hear it.
Feller,
If you don't like this mic, you're definitely not gonna like the other one.
you're such a nice guy, doorman.
That's usually what people say about doormans.
Yeah, you're a pet.
Yeah.
I'm typing. What the fuck?
They will curse your name, Vindicta.
Believe it or not, I do have noise gate.
You gotta strengthen your gate.
And you can't hear anything.
Headed to York.
Nice.
Seven is dead.
I'm sorry, Seven. I couldn't get you.
I had no idea where you were.
I was chasing a Celeste.
Oh, it's time to go to earn. It's time to go earn. It's time to go earn right now. Holiday, get it.
Okay, good. 'Cause
Get it,
I
Holiday,
beat the
please.
Shit out of her at the beginning.
Bro, but it's like, I tried the noise gate, and then, like, what's the other one?
I'm talking about in-game for Deadlock.
They have an in-game noise gate?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
What the fuck?
Your noise
Man, this
gate
game is too
is
advanced.
the game. Ahead of its time.
It's just too fucking advanced.
They're all here. There's 3. Do I take
Yeah,
this?
don't do
You
it,
guys
don't
make
do it,
enough
don't do
space
it.
or no?
I'm about to come to the fight. I'm coming.
I'm just gonna
I'm
say-
coming. My Vindicta is stronger. I will clear the wave. You go, Vindicta.
I'm coming.
Oh, my carry is coming. My carry is coming.
Who should I put on my butt?
Oh, shit, bro.
I see eyes.
Wraith, Shizzle. There's 3 people here. There's literally 3 people on blue. We should be able to get in here. My holiday's caught by dynamo. Oh my god.
We got one.
We have no earn, by the way. We're winning the fight, though. I mean,
It's okay. Nobody.
I'm
Nobody
gonna put her in
important
my
died.
butt. I'm gonna put her in my.
Shiv, I need you to grab.
okay, I will catch the earn. I need someone to catch yellow, though. Because that Ivy's solo taking yellow. You need to go yellow.
To be claimed.
Right here, Victor. Right here. Right here.
Coming. Coming, coming, coming.
Our
My goodness, my team is Thanos.
under attack.
Let's just push Grand, maybe?
Wait, shall we? I think we shall.
So how about
Oh, that's tough. That's pretty tough. We gotta take the green. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Coming, 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 coming. Don't die, Doorman. You're my only hope.
Sounds good.
Man, fuck that dynamo. Actually, no, you're right, you're right, you're right, you're right, you're right. The voice of reason.
we kind of need a walker.
They're also
Yeah,
scary, though. I don't want to fight the
Yeah,
Dynamo
we had a
Wraith.
little bit of damage there, but I mean, we were a little distracted.
Someone go push another one, make them split up.
Sounds good.
I'm gonna come with you.
Beep up on Gray.
Oh, she wasted Wraith ult. W. Oh, fuck. Never mind. Against my better judgment, I stayed. Against my better judgment, I fucking stayed. Wait, we got a walker? It's fucking worth it. It's fucking worth it. Fuck the team fight. Shit. Wait, we can go to Bebop, though. I'm literally here right now. That Bebop is slow as fuck. Go to Bebop. Oh shit, kill the Bebop again. Everyone come blue right now.
Oh, I can't do it actually.
Get out, play walker, play walker.
Wait, they're actually all weak though. They actually all can die.
No, that's me. I'm weak.
Nah, bro, it's their fucking players. They're fucking players.
I got her right here. She did not get her teeth.
Get a
What?
walker.
Why would you go return fire when you go metal skin?
We have,
I have no idea.
lanes.
I know.
We got the aura though. Yo, Holiday, could you get the urn, please?
Kind of. Actually, I can TP. Yeah.
Thoughts on that?
What you munching on, bro? Sounds good.
Burger.
Fuck yeah.
Hey, damn bugger.
Hey, yo, catch my blue lane though.
suppose.
They're letting their green crash. Play passive on yellow. Play passive on yellow. They're gonna have hella players there. Coming.
Family cheeky.
Coming.
The urn is ours.
Slam dunk.
Extends her hand to you.
We don't even have to fight, honestly.
I think we got out angle.
I'm gonna go split. I'm gonna go split green if you guys are gonna fight.
Yeah, I was gonna do that too.
I'll do that too. There's only one. There's only room for one split pusher in this town. I'm going yellow. Oh, this raid's fucking god. She's dead. Jet on pussy.
We're playing volleyball, we're playing.
They have 12 million players dead right now.
Closer. Oh
They have
my
12
God.
million players
Don't
dead.
get Closer to me. Okay, we're good. Fucking Vindicta.
Bebop's one shot. They have 2 players. They have 2 players. Whole lobby's dead. Oh shit, 7 ult. Oh shit. I mean, why would you buy E-Shift when you can just buy Unstoppable? I mean, that's kind of the question that every man wants to know.
The spirit urn is waiting to be claimed.
Let's grab sinners. Wait, they're trying to take their sinners. No, kill the Silver. Kill the Silver.
This is where it ends. Taking him.
Oh shit, you were in a fair fight.
I mean, that's honestly a good point. It's honestly a good point. I can't even blame you. You're right.
Headed to yellow.
Oh, they're pushing blue. Beware.
I probably want to try mid after this team fight.
Headed to Broadway.
Okay.
I see Bebop.
Our blue walker is under attack.
Silver's caught. We can get here.
Blades out.
Yeah, they're doing mid, doing mid, doing mid.
I'm going, man. I'm going. I'm going. I'm fucking going. Go.
The rejuvenator is descending.
Fucking W.
Let's go get shrines. Get shrines.
Shiv
shrines and
sows
drop.
chaos amongst the hidden king's thralls.
Unstoppable's fucking broken, man. I just parried like a million abilities. What in the fuck am I doing with my build right now? I have no idea. I really don't know. Drop that shit.
We heading out? Yeah, we should. They're all.
Okay, we go.
Yeah, I think that's right. They have all their ults too.
God's a hard bargain. I found this now? No, I buy reverb.
Shiv, you got buffs.
Long and your aim be true.
I'm getting that buff. We can go earn. Holiday, shall we? Shall we run the urn? Bam, bam. Bam, bam. My blue wave. Oh no, my blue wave's getting pushed. Bro, my back is actually so sore from the gym yesterday. I'm not even going cap with you. What the fuck?
Insert the 7 died.
Consequences was
Okay, he's got slowing hex on him, he got knocked down, and he's in the hotel.
Okay, game's over. Let's end the game.
his great work.
GG.
The battle won't be forgotten.
This item's fucking broken, man. Oh my gosh. It's actually just busted.
Good game.
GG.
GG.
Like fish in a barrel.
Bam, bam, bam.